Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a group chat on Snapchat, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a group chat on Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to make sure that you are on the chat section of Snapchat. So once you're on the chat section, I want you to tap on this button. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the new group option, which is where you can create a group chat. Just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be directed to the setting up of your group chat. So right here, you just need to select all the friends that you want to add in your group. And once you're done selecting your group members, you can now put the name that you want for your group chat right here. And once you're done entering your group name, you can now tap the chat with group button to completely create your group chat. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your group chat. Now that you have your group chat, you can now communicate with your friends together online. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.